Hi, I'm Rie. Today, our friend will be challenging me to take a popular food and make it fancy. Today's guest is Kanchan.
Hi, I'm Kanchan and I am super excited to challenge Rie to make Maggi fancy. I grew up in India where Maggi is pure comfort food. The umami, salty, spicy, brothy Maggi noodles were just a party in the mouth and like a hug in a bowl. I know she's gonna do something super cool and I cannot wait to see what it is.
Maggi. Maggi is masala flavored instant noodles and I've never had this before. It is smaller than I thought. Package seasoning, very fragrant. The color of curry. This is actually reminds me of our first episode, Maruchan noodle. I kind of had a flashback. Looks cool, but I want to try it. This is delicious. It's not too spicy and it has a lot of flavors. We can make a lot of different interesting things. All right, I have some great ideas and as always, I'm excited to make it fancy. Before we start, check out our latest merch at shopmakeitfancy.com. Here's what I got. Cilantro, mint, butter lettuce, ginger, it's huge, limes, tomato, garlic, jalapeno, chicken thighs, mayo, yogurt, red onion, and eggs. From the pantry, I got cumin seed, salt, baking powder, flour, sugar, Kashmiri red chili powder, and vodka. All right, let's get started. Make it fancy. I have 2 chicken thighs seasoned with salt, half cup Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of ginger. I'm gonna just eyeball 2 cloves of garlic. Our production manager DJ, he's from India. I asked a lot about Maggi from him. Seems like there is a lot of things you can do with Maggi. I'm doing one of them today. 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 package of Maggi seasoning. Mix well, marinate chicken thighs. You want to completely covered. I'm going to put this in the refrigerator, marinate at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. So 1 cup cilantro, half cup mint, 1 tablespoon lime juice, half jalapeno, 2 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of whole cumin, ginger, half teaspoon of sugar, salt, 1/4 cup of mayo. It will give nice texture. Add a little bit of water to just blender get going. Blend this together. Okay, this sauce looks good. I'll keep this in the refrigerator until I use it next. Boiling water, I'm adding 2 packs of Maggi. Keep spice packet for later. The packet instruction says cook for 2 minutes, but I want to make it more soft and tender, so I'm going to cook about 5 to 7 minutes. 7 minutes later, the noodle is very, very soft. It's opposite of al dente. And I'm going to drain to let it sit for a while until it is a little bit dry. Add this overcooked noodles and 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm gonna blend this well and the texture should look like mashed potato. Sprinkle some flour on the surface, more flour, and then you are going to knead, almost like making gnocchi. Start coming together, one big dough. It's a little bit softer than a regular bread dough. Cover this with plastic. Put this in the refrigerator and rest this for 30 minutes. I already have Maggi noodles. I cooked according to the package instructions and I didn't use the seasoning. I'm gonna crack 2 eggs, whisk them. I've met Kanchan in New York. She is great. She's a mom I aspire to be. And also she graduated Harvard and her cooking is kind of focused on like healthy cooking and she has a lot of knowledge. So if you haven't followed her, you should follow her. Tossing eggs in with noodles, coat them evenly, spray, ring mold, put in a hot oil. I'm dividing this into 4 because I want to make 4 of them. So this is hot oil, so be careful when you do this. I'm using rubber spatula. You want to compress as much as you can. Cook 3 to 4 minutes per side. So noodle is crispy, so I'm going to take off the mold and flip this. I've fried the other side for 3 minutes and it's nice and crispy on the other side. Put on a paper towel so it drains extra oil. Make 2 more and moving on to the next step. I have 1 packet of Maggi. I'm going to use noodles and you kind of want to make it powder texture. Measure out 1/4 cup noodle powder, 3/4 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, well combined, and set this aside. Add 2 package of Maggi seasoning, mix well. In a bowl, 1/3 cup of yogurt, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of vodka. I'm adding vodka so I can make the chicken coating crispy, and I learned this hack from Tasty 101 fried chicken episode. Adding egg whites, mix well. I have the chicken thigh that I was marinating. Coat in the flour first and then dip in a yogurt mix. Coat with Maggi flour again. I'm going to fry chickens at 350, about 5 to 7 minutes. One side, you are looking for golden brown color, and cook until inner temperature reaches 165. Drain the oil in the pot. Chicken looks nice, golden brown and crispy. Sprinkle some flaky salt while it's still hot. Chicken looks great, but we have more things to do. I have chilled dough. Sprinkle some flour. Put some flour on top. Flour to the rolling pin. Roll it into square, 4-inch by 4/4-inch thick. Using a pizza cutter, cut in half. Cut into stripes. I'm going to just cut top, so make it a little bit even sides. Okay, I'm gonna just separate it so easy to pick it up. Oil is at 350. I'm going to fry this about 2 to 3 minutes or until golden brown. I'm occasionally stirring so it doesn't stick together and evenly brown. This is crazy. It just looks like French fry. Take this out from the oil. This looks great, it's nice golden brown, so I'm going to finish them and move on to next. Add in a bowl, and I have 1 packet of Maggi seasoning, cilantro for color. Make sure fries are well coated with seasoning. It's really good. Everything is kind of fried, so I want to make things a little bit lighter. So I made green sauce with fresh herbs, and I have fresh vegetable for garnish. Ramen buns on bottom, shumia on the bottom. Put lettuce and put chicken, so crispy. And more green sauce and tomato, onion, bun on top. Such a big boy. Masala fries. And we are done. Maggi fried chicken sandwich with Maggi fries. Very big and so festive. Hi!
Hi, Rie!
Here we go.
Oh my gosh, you made like a Maggi burger?
Yes.
You turned Maggi into ramen burger. Oh my gosh, of course you did. I wish I could eat it through this Zoom situation. Ooh, the crunch! You should be so proud. I loved Maggi as a kid. I haven't had Maggi in a while, but that's the version I want to have next.
So Kanchan, did I make Maggi fancy?
You made it so fancy. I cannot even handle it and I can't wait to eat it.
We have one last thing to do. 3, 2, 1. Make it fancy.